Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Fix series. If you're dealing with the frustrating issue of Messenger incoming calls not showing up on your screen in 2025, don't worry. We've got you covered. This problem can stem from app permissions, software glitches, or even simple settings oversights, but with a few quick steps, you'll be back to seamless calling in no time. First things first, let's start with the basics. Open your phone's settings and head to the Apps section. Find Messenger in the list and tap on it. Make sure that Messenger has permission to access your microphone, camera, and notifications. If any of these are turned off, flip them on and test an incoming call right away. This is one of the most common fixes and could solve your problem instantly. Next, ensure your app is up to date. Go to your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and check for updates for Messenger. Outdated versions often cause compatibility issues, especially with the latest 2025 OS updates. While you're there, update your phone's operating system if it hasn't been done recently. Now, let's try a quick restart. Sometimes, a simple device reboot can clear temporary glitches. Turn off your phone, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Once it's up, open Messenger and see if calls are appearing as they should. If that doesn't work, dive into Messenger's settings within the app. Go to the app's menu, find Notifications or Calls, and ensure that incoming calls are enabled. Also, check your phone's Do Not Disturb mode. Make sure it's turned off or that exceptions are set for apps like Messenger. As a last resort, clear the app's cache or even reinstall Messenger. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Storage, Clear Cache. iOS users might need to offload the app or delete and reinstall it from the App Store. Remember to back up any important chats first. There you have it. Simple steps to fix that pesky Messenger issue in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.